Welcome back to another video of the Parl, and thank you for always supporting and watching and liking these videos. But on this video today, we are just going to be picking some Scotch bonnet peppers. I'm home early this evening and it's still sunny and nice, so a good time to pick some peppers. So these are the peppers, and I had someone pick some last weekend. So this one is kind of small, but it's a good feeling. I like reaping what I have sown. I'm gonna put these ones in the freezer. You know, sometimes they say you should pick the earlier ones so others can get some more of the nutrients. So that is what I am aiming for this evening. The place is getting chilly because I think last week Sunday was about 17 degrees. So I know the peppers won't be producing or maturing much like how these have. So that's why I'm really trying to just pick some of them and give the others some chance, because if you look at some of the peppers, you can see that, like right here, you see that they have withered up because it was cold last week, really cold, I'm telling you. So here again. And for the habanero, nothing much still hasn't been happening for it as yet. I'm still keeping out some hope though. This is all I am picking for today, as I want to leave some to give away very soon. So thanks again for watching the video. Remember to leave a comment and tell me what you think about my Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet peppers.